Hello, come on. We are going to prepare delicious cauliflower steaks today. They are insane and you will surely like them. Of course, subscribe to my channel and you will be up to date with the recipes. I present a list of the ingredients you need. You will find the same list in the description under the video. Under the video, I also add a link to the blog where you will find all my recipes. We need: cut one small cauliflower into slices no thicker than 2 centimeters thick. If any pieces fall off, we can simply boil them and prepare them with breadcrumbs or freeze them for vegetable soup. And now prepare the marinade. 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of peppers, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together, spread our cauliflower, then bake in a fat-free fryer at 170 degrees for about 20 minutes or more until obtained. Of an appropriate softness. If you're going to use a conventional oven, increase the temperature to 200 degrees. This appliance is brilliant. It consumes far less electricity compared to a cooktop, or the oven doesn't heat up the entire kitchen, so it's excellent on hot days. You can find more information about this device in the video description below. I personally recommend using it. I've been using it for quite a long time. My cauliflower is already toasted, so at the very end, I sprinkle it with mozzarella and bake for an additional 7 minutes at the same temperature until the cheese is the required color. I wait until the cheese cools down nicely. I will bake it. The dish will be ready to serve. It can be a main course or an addition to dinner. It tastes amazing. Very nice. Parmesan cheese pairs well with this, so make sure to prepare it. It will be delicious. Of course, watch my next content. You can find this and other recipes on my blog. The link is always provided below the video. Thank you. Take care.